This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Threats to internal and external validity. It is paramount to note that a range of threats to this particular mock study's internal and external validity is currently present. It needs to be said that repeated testing may be viewed as an issue that may affect the internal validity of the research because students may intentionally give different answers. Another issue that may occur is that the effect of one threat may be multiplied by others, frequently leading to severe complications. Interactions between numerous factors are especially problematic because they are often hard to predict. It needs to be said that selection may also be perceived as a threat to validity because individuals may demonstrate unusual behavior if people surround them with whom they know. Another issue that may occur is that some of the participants may want to drop out, and it is especially problematic if it is done intentionally or if there are several instances. The possibility of unexpected events also should not be disregarded, and limiting the influence of external factors in this situation is necessary. Also, it is imperative to say that another important aspect that should not be disregarded is that the reaction to the study may be affected if students become aware of the purpose and may make slight modifications to their behavior. The experimenter effect is also a significant external threat that should be accounted for. The issue is that the behavior and responses of students may change depending on the person in charge of the study. It is also paramount to avoid any bias towards any of the participants. Reaction to research is one of the critical threats that also should not be overlooked. It is a known fact that individuals may change their behavior if they know that they are being observed or a situation is perceived as unusual. The actions of a researcher play a massive role in most instances, and it is paramount to make sure that interactions with participants are appropriate. Validating a research instrument. It needs to be said that the validation of a research instrument is an essential stage of the process that should not be disregarded. One of the ways in which a tool can be validated is expert judgment. 3 or more specialists should review the instrument and make a decision on whether it is appropriate in a particular situation. Criterion validity and construct validity may also be considered. Research that utilizes an instrument that is not validated will likely be met with suspicion. An introduction of bias is expected in such cases, and measurement errors are likely to be present. Poor impression. It is paramount to ensure that all the necessary measures are taken to avoid a poor impression because it may adversely impact the results of the mock study. It needs to be said that the overall perception of social science research may also be affected. Understandably, a reaction may be harmful if some tools, such as survey generators, are viewed as unprofessional. However, this aspect can be addressed. It needs to be said that an introduction of rewards may be used as an option to make sure that participants do not lose their interest in the study and have a positive impression. Did you like this research instrument validation and related threats sample? To get more works like this one, make sure to check out the database of academic paper examples at ivypanda.com. You will find thousands of samples for all your study needs.